Quickly taken. There's room here. Oh, that's an excellent goal. Jonathan David by Placide. Canada lead. It is Davies. He struck the crossbar. Lifted away. Placide had no chance at that. Alphonso Davies. Hands to his Arfield, turns into space. And plays through Cavallini. Flag is down. Cavallini's around the keeper. He taps it home. Canada by 2. They shred Haiti down the middle of the field. Arfield's expert touch setting it all up. Here comes Haiti into the final third. Lofted across, and it's a great save to deny Guerriere one of the goals of the tournament by Borjan. Guerriere, a volleyed scissor attempt. Trouble, Borjan's lost it. Nazon's got a goal. Haiti's right back in it in the 50th minute. Godinho plays it back. Borjan just late to attack the ball. Here to it again. Turn the game on its head. By Nazon. Basile pointing to the spot. A penalty. Haiti can equalize at the spot. Can he equalize against Borjan? Basile. Haiti level, 70th minute. Simply remarkable, the turnaround in this second half. Nazon. Nazon chips it through. Chance now. It's in. Guerriere. A beautiful ball. A couple of taps. If you want to solidify your legend, score from here. Davies lofting. Hutchinson brought it down. Oh, he's finished now. And Hutchinson looks to the flag. He's offside. Davies lifting. Steered away. The full-time whistle. Down 2 at the half. A Haitian miracle in the quarterfinals.